So here I'll give you a walkthrough of how you can link your JSM site to your Microsoft Teams tenant so that you can quickly collaborate on incidents. Now since this feature is newly launched, you can see that when you go to any particular incident, you can create a chat or a meeting directly here. And the way to do that is basically go to Products, Incident Management, and here you'll be taken to the documentation. Now the first step of the documentation is to open the Atlassian ChatOps app on the Microsoft Team. And to be able to add this app, I have to be the admin of this particular Microsoft Team tenant. Now it tells me which site do I need to connect, and now I'm selecting that I'll be adding this particular site, which is Testing Tools JSM. After selecting the site that I'm part of, I will sign in again. To give delegated permission, this lets me give all these permission and will help me to later create group chat and meetings. I've been successfully granted permissions. And here if you see, I'm giving the last set of permissions. So the two roles that will ensure that the linkage is complete is the Microsoft Teams admin and the site admin. Basically the Microsoft Team admin needs to give all set of permissions, and here the permissions have been granted. Once I have given all these set of permissions, I will go back to my site, and now for my project, when I go and see the product under Incident Management, I'll be able to see that I have been connected to a Microsoft Team tenant. Now ideally, when I go to the incident, I'll see a change that now before the option was contact your Jira admin, and now the option is to enable Teams and project setting. For this, the project admin comes into the picture who will enable Microsoft Team ability for that particular project. Since I am also the project admin of this particular product, I will go inside the project settings, again under Incident Management, and I'll quickly just enable it. Voila! Now after adding the Microsoft Teams tenant to this JSM site, I've also enabled it so that I can create group chats and meeting for incident issue type. And now I go to the incident and I open this incident, and here I can create a chat or a meeting. Now I will choose to create a chat, and now I'm adding a participant, and this is the chat name, and now I'm creating. I've added 2 participants and I've created the meeting. Now here I can open the meeting, and this is the issue view summary card that you can see. Now the actions that you can perform is update the priority. You could assign it to yourself, and you can start working and start commenting. The other interesting feature is now click on the 3 icons, click more actions, and you would say add as comment to incident, and this could be added as an internal note or a reply to customer, and I will just choose that I'll add it as reply to customer and confirm. And directly all your notes get added to the particular incident here. And this is how you can create group chats. This was all for the demo. Thank you.